Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about a product that's been floating around in Amazon, Flipkart, TikTok, and even Meesho. It's called Therm Venom Oil, with bold claims of fat burning, firming, or body sculpting effects. This product has caught the attention of a lot of guys looking to tone up fast. But is it a real deal or just another internet scam? Let's break it down. First off, there is no official website for this product. That's already a bit concerning. It's sold through random third-party sellers on platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Meesho, which means there's no clear source or brand accountability. If anything goes wrong, good luck getting support. Let's take a look at Amazon, where it seems to have the most visibility. The version with the most reviews has a 2.8 star ratings out of 5 based on just 40 ratings. Out of that, only 25% gave it 5 stars while 34% gave it just 1 star. Not the kind of numbers that inspire confidence. One of the 5 star reviews reads more like a skincare influencer's ad. The reviewer praises the sleek packaging, the warming sensation, and even the neutral scent. They say it made their chest feel firmer and boosted their confidence. Now, hey, it'll work for them. That's great, but let's be honest, warm sensation doesn't equal fat burning or muscle building. It just means it contains something like menthol or capsicum to stimulate heat. On the flip side, the 1 star reviews paint a very different picture. One person says straight up scam, absolutely no results. Another, not working, please ignore some advertisements. I got it 3 weeks ago and it's not working as advertised. Others say no body change, no muscle tightening, and wow, what a waste. A lot of people seem to have fallen for the hype only to end up disappointing after weeks of consistent use and zero visible results. Quick disclaimer, this video is based on online research, public reviews, and personal opinion. I haven't personally used Mentherm the Venom oil, so I'm not claiming first-hand experience, just giving you an honest breakdown based on what's out there. If you're trying to lose body fat or firm up your physique, no topical oil is going to replace exercise, diet, and rest. Real transformation comes from lifestyle, not lotions. And if you're looking for skin firming or fat burning products, go for ones with clinically backed ingredients and from brands with transparent, proven reputations. So, is Mentherm B Venom oil legit or a scam? Based on the lack of a clear brand, the low ratings, and the high percentage of negative feedback, this looks more like a gimmick product than a real solution. You might feel some heat when you rub it in, but that doesn't mean it's burning fat or toning your body. Unless you've got money to burn and low expectations, I'd say skip it and focus on what actually works. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.